Okay, how old are you, Mr. Tariq?
61.
61, oh my God. See, he is working there.
I heart والله.
He is my heart, he is my friend.
I like too much Lay.
Okay.
Very good night.
Yeah, he is very good guy also. This is microphone.
Thank you, Lay.
Tariq, how are you? Good? Okay. Okay, mabruk. See you later. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. Tariq from Egypt. Okay, how old are you, Mr. Tariq?
61.
61, oh my God. See, he is working there. Guys, this is Mr. Tariq, my good friend, here in Outlet.
Yes, this friend, this friend, my heart.
See? My heart, my
Yes,
God.
my heart والله.
He is my heart, he is my friend.
I like too much Lay.
Okay.
Very good night.
Yeah, he is very good guy also. This is microphone.
Thank you, Lay.
Because this guy, he is going for vacation.
Yeah,
This is the last day today. And your flight will be tomorrow or tonight?
Today.
Today, your flight.
Today.
Going to Egypt, guys.
Yes.
So how many hours going to Egypt from here?
3 hours.
3 hours only. How much
Yeah.
the ticket?
2,800.
2,000. Oh my God, expensive, man.
Yes. هذا جبت كيرو.
Yeah, I bought a ticket going to Philippines. It's promo. It's 1,600 only.
Now
Two-way.
Now season.
Season, yeah. Because you
7, 8, 9 season.
because you buy late, right?
No. ما في.
Oh,
Yeah,
ما في
before يعني 5,
Like-
4 like this late. This 7, 8, 9 season.
Season, right?
For ticket,
Exactly,
yeah. Season, yeah.
So, yeah.
يلا bye.
Bye-bye. See you again,
See you
Mr.
again.
Tariq.
يلا
He's
bye.
going vacation.
Bye.
Buy me this magnet, you know that? Ref
Okay,
magnet?
Magnet, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my
Okay.
gift, when you come back,
Okay, yalla bye.
Okay, yalla, bye.
Bye.
Mr. Tariq is going vacation. See, just imagine, guys, working in the sales at age of 61. Yeah. Grabe, no? Okay, bye. See you. Enjoy your vacation, man, ha? Enjoy. Okay, bye-bye. God, just imagine, no? Dito lang yan sa Dubai, no? Pag senior ka na, pwede ka pang mag-work sa mall. Pero na-surprise ako nung sinabi niya na sa akin na almost 23 years na siya dyan sa company nila. Tapos 23 years, parang wala pang metro that time or wala pang mga building dito, no? Grabe, no? Pero sobrang bait yan ni Mr. Tariq. Parang joker din yan, matanda na yon. Kaya kasundo ko yan. Yan lang yan, no? Sa tapat ng store namin, yung shop nila. So guys, di ba? Nakakamangha, no? Sa atin sa Pilipinas, sana ganun din, no? Pwede tayo mag-work kahit nasa ano na tayo, mga around 40s, 50s o 60s na, di ba? As long as kaya nating gampanan yung ano natin, yung mga work natin, no? Yung mga duties and responsibilities natin as employee. Pero mas maganda kung meron tayong puhunan, so hindi na tayo magtatrabaho, no? Tayo na lang yung magpapasahod. And thank you guys. God bless you all. Don't forget to follow and don't forget to subscribe and comment and paki-share na rin. Thank you.